After opening Audacity, you will see the main workspace with different sections. It may seem overwhelming for first-time users, but it is pretty straightforward once you get to know what each section is. Now let's take a look at the workspace. At the top are several buttons that allow you to play, stop, pause, fast forward, rewind, or record a track. The Toolbar section contains the tools that will be used to edit your audio tracks. You can find the detailed explanation of each tool in a separate video. The record and playback meters let you visualize the audio levels when you record or play back tracks. Since the volume at which you listen to your sound can vary depending on how loud your speakers or headphones are, these meters are important as a visual way to determine the overall levels of your sound. Use the volume controls to adjust your recording and playback volume to the optimal level. The Input and Output Source section lets you select the input and output devices that you are using. Make sure the correct devices are selected for you to record and play back your audio. The section in gray is where the audio tracks will appear once you record or import files. At the bottom of that is the project rate and the timecode, and we will keep the settings at default for this section.